What's up, everybody? Today we are in Kasilof, Alaska, and we are at Kasilof Beach. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but the sunset is absolutely beautiful behind the mountains, way off in the distance. Today we're going to be cooking some reindeer jambalaya. Stay tuned. All right, so we got some of this Alaskan sausage with reindeer meat from Alaska Sausage Company. Let you know how it is. So we use this jambalaya mix. It smells good, so hopefully it tastes good. That was really good. It got cold really quick out here. Thankfully the wind's not blowing, so it could be worse. But this is hitting the spot with how warm it is. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below with what you'd like to see us cook. See ya.